Gemini Intelligence is here, and in Android 17, this is going to be a big game changer. Today, we're going to dive into what Gemini Intelligence is, how it's going to be implemented into Android 17, and something huge that Google announced in Android I/O. So, let's start with Gemini Intelligence. Gemini Intelligence is basically your own personal agent that can do things for you, like, for example, buying tickets. But also, it can create widgets for you, which is a whole new thing that has been added to Pixel devices and coming later to Galaxy and other devices. And Gemini Intelligence is also coming to watches very soon. Now, that's most of the news for Gemini Intelligence, but we still have the Googlebook to talk about. So, the Googlebook is going to be heavily Gemini-based, but it's not a Chromebook. It'll feel a lot more fluid, sleek, and definitely much more premium. It will also look like a lot of modern premium laptops today. But of course, with Gemini right there. Which also means, just like your phone, you'll be able to create custom widgets with Gemini Intelligence, which is just amazing. And speaking of seamless and amazing, opening apps from your phone on your computer without having to even touch your phone is on another level. I mean, seriously, Google, that's awesome. Now, of course, I can't talk about Android 17 without talking about the AI glasses that were unveiled at Google I/O. So, of course, I'm just gonna say, these look pretty cool. So that kind of wraps up what happened over there in the Google I/O and Android I/O. So I hope you liked this video. I kind of wanted to keep it short just to make sure that this was actually a briefing, and see you in the next one.